Hello guys, for today's video, babalik naman kami ng Kite Beach kasi napakagandang lugar guys, nakaka-relax talaga. So, ang ano lang ngayon guys, medyo malakas yung hangin kasi may sandstorm. So, antabayan nyo yung aming paglalakbay doon sa Kite Beach. So, ayan, kasama ko naman yung mga lovely couple at saka yung another couple soon to be. Okay. Congrats daan and best wishes sa inyong duha. Okay guys, tara, let's go! So ayan, dito na naman kami guys. Kasi ngayon grabing lakas ng hangin guys. Sandstorm na kasi. Ayan o, kita nyo yung alon o. Grabe o. Napakalakas ng alon. Paano tayo maliligo niyan? Grabing alon o. Grabe yung alon guys. Oh, inaabot na sila guys oh. What the fuck? Grabe, super. Oh my god guys oh. Tubig na umaabot na dito. Grabe. Pero maya-maya ay titila din ito. So ayan.
A few moments later.
Who's that? Ayan, no? Tuwan-tuwa ito. Delikado to guys. Ingat-ingat kayo dyan. Lakas.
One minute, 37 seconds later.
Napakalakas talaga ng hangin guys. Pero sana naman bumalik din sa normal. Kasi paano kami maliligo nito? Ayun no, grabing hangin.
One hour later.
Ang lakas ng hangin guys dito sa beach. So, ayan, dito muna kami tabi-tabi, humanap kami ng paraan para makapwesto. Ayan, no? Ayan, mega love shout out. Good life. Pasan yung good life? Here's the good life. Ayan, no? Sabi ko stop.
Stop. Sabi ko na stop. Kasi kung di ko pinay-stop yun, marami kayong magigiba dyan, mga mamamatay kayo. Stop! Sabi ko na stop.
later.
So, thanks God, nahupa ra guys ang kusog nga hangin o ang sandstorm. So, na meron karon. Gagmay na lang ang mga balod guys. So, nagpaigo na ako mga roommates. Nag-plaster na sila. So, may kilid din sa baybay. So, look at that. Ngit-ngit pa. So, yan. Yan, nakaporma din! Ngit-ngit pa.
I can't think nothing better than spending my day with you. My life is sunny and better, girl, when I'm with you. She illuminates so bright like a star in the skyline. She got the looks to good, oh, I need her so bad in my life. Shawty, where you wanna go, go, go. London, Paris, Tokyo, oh, shawty, we could go. Don't need no luggage, nah, 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 nah. Don't need no stress, girl, nah, 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 nah. Just me and your sounds alright, girl. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you.
Three hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time card.
Buti naman guys. Thank you so much. Thank you Papa G. Nawala na rin yung unos. So ayan guys. Have a happy morning. Happy Sunday morning. So dito sa time na to guys, dito namin pinanood yung pagkatalo ng Lakers. Wala eh. Walang ganun eh. May nananalo at may natatalo.
20 minutes later.
Ah, look at the sky. It's a beautiful Sunday morning, guys. Look around now. No more sandstorm. Ayun oh, mga lasing na oh. Oh my God! Wow! Mao na ilang gusto diri sa dagat. Yan siya para mga tulog. Siya yung lifeguard dito sa Kite Beach guys. Yan, tandaan niyo yung mukha na yan. Yan yung lifeguard. Goal!
A few moments later.
So, ayun guys, talo yung Lakers, uwi na. Uwi na kami. Mega love shoutout po sa inyong lahat. So, maraming salamat sa inyong paano pagsubaybay. Ayan, nagbabike-bike sila. Sana all. At maganda na yung panahon. Wow. Ayan si Uncle. Bye-bye na, Col. See you next video. Thank you so much.
Lang yun kasi minimum lang yan. Walang taxi yun.
Waiting for taxi, guys.
Nagkadalawang
At kami uwi na.
Yan kasi